Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reuse your video activities in a new assignment. Simply create a new assignment, name the assignment, remove the default blank quiz, click YouTube as your attachment. Instead of searching for a YouTube video, you need to click on My Video Activities. And all your previous video activities will show up. Select the one that you need. And now you are able to add new questions to the video activity, and you can also edit the existing questions. If you have done or completed the video activity, click Attach to attach it to the assignment. So that's all you need to do to reuse your video activities in a new assignment. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.